Hello everybody, Stephen Jondrew here from GonnaGeek.com and of course the Gonna Geek Gear YouTube channel, doing another unboxing. This time this is the Harmony Companion Logitech Remote. I'm looking forward to getting into this and getting this installed in the bedroom because it does come with the Harmony Hub, and that means of course I can smart device and link up my TV in the bedroom. So let's just dive into this. All right, so here's the back. Has all your feature set, including what's in the box. On the side, you have information about how it's compatible with Nest and Philips Hue and all this other stuff. You've got, of course, on this side, it says Harmony, just in case you forget what it's called. On the top, there's nothing. And on the bottom, there's information all right here. So let's open it up. Get my trusty knife. Start by slicing here and slicing there. I know, it's so exciting to watch this happen. Go ahead and flip this over. Try to open it up. Come on, open up. Open up, open up. Here we go. And right on the top is the Harmony Hub. I'll pull off all of this wrap later. Put that on the side. Again, that's exciting for me because then I can hook it up with the Alexa devices and all the other stuff. And of course, use the app if I want. Right here, we have a setup guide. Ooh, it's a setup guide. Underneath is the actual remote unit. Now this remote here, it's got a couple of smart home buttons on it. I've never actually seen them in use, so I'm looking forward to that. The only other Harmony that I've got right now that has the hub is the touchscreen one, so not too sure about how that works, but you can see there's a couple smart buttons and whatnot right there. And then you have the rest of these buttons. Pretty light, pretty nice in the hand, I have to say. Doesn't seem like it's going to be too big. There'll be a little bit of sliding around up and down as I'm using it. However, it's fairly light overall, and I think it'll be good. And it doesn't feel like it's going to break now, who knows, but I think it'll probably take a couple of falls, you know, when you doze off on the couch and then it falls down, or when, of course, your kid throws it across the room, as it tends to happen when you have kids. Then in here we have the, couple things. The IR blaster, if we want to add on a secondary IR blaster to the hub, and then the power unit itself right here. Got the power cord for the hub, and then as well, it looks like a micro USB cable, probably for the Harmony Hub, or maybe it's the remote. I'm not sure. There might be a spot here for that, but there you go. There's the Logitech Harmony Companion. We've got the remote, got the hub, we got the blaster, we got power, got a whole bunch of stuff. I'll just throw it all around so it seems like I'm doing something, but thanks for checking out another unboxing video. If you have any questions, please write in the comments below. And if you like the channel, please do subscribe. That's youtube.com/GonnaGeekGear. Bye.